Mastering TikTok Ads, a comprehensive guide. Cover the untapped potential of TikTok Ads. This platform boasts more than 800 million active users globally. Dive into the basics. Understand the platform, its unique algorithm, and how to navigate the ad manager for maximum results. Explore creative strategies to engage your audience. Learn about the different ad formats and how to craft compelling content that resonates. Understand how to target your audience effectively. Learn about demographics, interests, and behavior to tailor your ads for optimal reach. Unlock the power of analytics. Learn how to track and measure your ads' performance to continuously improve your marketing strategy. Finally, gain insights from successful ad campaigns. Learn from the best and apply tried-and-true strategies to your own business. Join us in Mastering TikTok Ads, a comprehensive guide, and start revolutionizing your digital marketing strategy today.